Dr. Jessie Dubler here for Chain Reaction Physical Therapy, and today we're going to talk about clamshells. Clamshells are oftentimes a PT's bread and butter, but they have to be done in a very specific way to be as effective as possible. Everyone always talks about the glutes and how the glutes are really important when it comes to hip and low back pain, but actually the glutes are only one of the things that's important. Underneath our glutes, we have another layer of muscles that are really the actual hip stabilizers that we need to make sure are strong. Those are the obturator internus, quadrans femoris, the gemelli. All of those small muscles are muscles that really need to be targeted with this exercise. So there's a couple tweaks we have to do to make sure we're targeting those instead of just our big old glutes. So we're going to start on our side. Now I like people to put something underneath their head, arm, pillow, whatever you got. First thing is clamshells can be done in a lot of different positions. For us, we want to make sure that knees are coming up to a 90-degree or so angle right here. Now the other part to this is heels stay together, and from here, instead of thinking about just picking knee up and down, we're going to visualize actually rolling thigh out and back, originating the movement right from the small, basically right in the back of our butt here, that back and forward. The idea to roll and rotate that hip is how we actually start to get more of those small rotators underneath. And again, you'll notice I'm not going very far either. These are small muscles, so the movement, it has to be small as well too. Last thing, I'm also not letting myself start to open up here. Hips and shoulders stay stacked, and we're just slowly rotating this thigh out and back. If you feel it more in hamstring or you don't feel as much in butt, play with it, play with the angle. Sometimes you have to come up here, sometimes you have to come down here a little bit. But try those couple of little tweaks to really make your clamshells as effective as possible. As always, go to chainreactionpt.com with any questions or comments.